Once upon a time, in a rainforest filled with tall trees and twittering birds, lived a young boy named Timmy. One day, Timmy stumbled upon a small pond teeming with colorful fish. "Wow, look at all these fish!" Timmy exclaimed, his eyes wide with excitement. "I wonder which one is the prettiest." As he approached the pond, he noticed a group of tiny, sharp-toothed fish swimming around. "Oh, they're piranhas," said a friendly voice behind him. Timmy turned around to see a wise old man with a friendly smile. "Piranhas? Are they dangerous?" Timmy asked. "Not at all," the old man replied. "They are just curious creatures. But remember, it's important to respect them." Timmy nodded, his curiosity piqued. He decided to learn more about the piranhas. He spent the entire afternoon observing the piranhas. He watched as they swam, played, and even helped each other. Timmy was amazed by their teamwork and cooperation. One piranha in particular caught his eye. It was a bit smaller than the others, but it swam with a special grace. Timmy named it Pippa. One day, while Timmy was feeding the other fish, he accidentally dropped a stone into the pond. The stone landed near Pippa, startling her. She darted away, fearing that Timmy meant her harm. Timmy felt bad. He realized that he had scared Pippa. He decided to show her that he meant no harm. The next day, Timmy brought some of Pippa's favorite food. He approached the pond carefully, making sure not to startle anyone. When he saw Pippa, he held out the food, smiling gently. Pippa swam up to Timmy, nibbling at the food. Timmy smiled, relieved. He had earned Pippa's trust. From that day on, Timmy and Pippa became good friends. They spent their days together, teaching each other about their unique worlds. Timmy learned more about the rainforest, while Pippa learned about the human world from Timmy. And so, Timmy and the piranhas lived happily ever after, their bond growing stronger with each passing day. They reminded everyone that even the smallest creatures could teach us valuable lessons about friendship, respect, and understanding. And as for the other fish, they watched Timmy and Pippa's friendship blossom, learning a valuable lesson of their own, that respect and understanding can bridge even the widest of gaps. The end.